Good morning. And yours three-legged cat BB's is here. Well, she did not like being recorded, apparently. Sorry, BB's. Did you want to say good morning to TikTok? Yep, it's moving day, you guys. No, you're not going outside. Hey, Ray Ray. It's moving day. See, guys? Yep, it's a real mess in here. That Penske truck out there is filled to the brim. You're a very sweet boy. You ready to go outside? Go run around and do things? Ray Dog is ready. Look at this tail. I'm glad we trimmed you there because it looked like you were developing a hot spot, and we did not get one because we did the things to protect you. Ba-doom. Good morning. There goes Bittums. Is he gonna take a Bittums shoot, a nice poop? Oh yeah, let's go.